Hello, everyone. Welcome back. How are you today?
I'm good. A little excited. How about you?
I'm good too, but today's topic makes me nervous
Really? Why?
because we are talking about something important. Your first day at the office.
Ah, yes, that first day feeling.
New place, new people, new boss.
And maybe nervous English.
Exactly. You want to speak well. You want to sound confident.
But your heart beats fast.
And your mind goes blank.
Many people feel this way.
Yes, the first day is always special.
You want to make a good impression
You want to look professional.
and speak clearly.
So today, we will practice simple English for your first day at the office.
Simple sentences, real conversation.
Nothing difficult.
Let's imagine this situation. It is your first day. You walk into the office.
You see your new manager.
What do you say?
You can say, "Good morning. It's nice to meet you."
Simple, clear, professional.
You can also say, "I'm excited to start working here."
That sounds positive.
Yes, always show positive energy.
Now imagine your manager introduces you to the team.
Everyone is looking at you.
Scary moment.
But don't panic. You can say, "Hello, everyone. My name is... I'm happy to join the team."
Short sentences are better.
Yes, keep it simple.
You don't need big vocabulary.
Confidence is more important.
Now let's practice a small introduction.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I just joined the marketing team. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Very nice. Hello, I'm Ayan. I'm the new assistant manager. I'm excited to be here.
See? Very natural.
Now let's talk about small questions. Your colleague may ask, "Where are you from?"
You can answer, I'm from Delhi, or I'm originally from Mumbai.
You can ask, "Do you have experience in this field?"
You can say, yes, I have 2 years of experience, or I'm new, but I'm eager to learn.
That sounds confident.
Yes, honest and confident.
Remember, on your first day, you don't need perfect English
You need clear English.
and calm body language.
Smile. Make eye contact.
Speak slowly.
Take a small pause if needed.
Your first day is not a test,
It is a beginning,
and beginnings are always a little uncomfortable.
but that's normal.
In the next part, we will practice talking to your manager about your role and responsibilities.
Stay ready. You're doing great.
All right. Now imagine this. You are sitting with your manager. It is your first meeting.
Your manager smiles and says, welcome to the team.
How do you respond? You can say, "Thank you. I'm excited to be here."
Simple, professional, confident.
Then your manager may ask, "Do you understand your role?"
If you understand, say, yes, I understand my responsibilities.
If you are not sure, say, "I understand the basics, but I would appreciate more guidance."
That sounds mature, not weak.
Yes, asking questions shows interest.
Your manager might explain your tasks.
For example, you will handle emails. You will prepare reports. You will support the team.
You can respond, that sounds great. I'm ready to start. I'll do my best.
That's it.
Now imagine your manager asks, do you have any questions?
Don't say no immediately.
Instead say, yes, I have a small question.
For example, what is the deadline for this task? Who should I report to? Can you explain the process once more?
Very clear, very professional.
And remember, speak slowly.
Pause, think, then answer.
Confidence is not about fast speaking.
It is about clear speaking.
Now let's practice a mini conversation.
Welcome to the company. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am. I'm looking forward to learning.
Your first task is simple. Please review these documents.
Sure. When should I complete them?
By tomorrow afternoon.
Understood. I'll make sure to finish on time.
That's it.
Professional, calm, clear. In the next part, we will practice talking to coworkers because teamwork starts on day 1. Now let's move to something very important. Your coworkers.
Yes. On your first day, you don't only meet your manager.
You meet the team.
And first impressions matter.
So imagine this. You walk into the office. Someone looks at you and smiles.
What do you say?
Start simple. Hi, I'm new here. Nice to meet you. My name is blank.
Clear, friendly, confident.
The other person may say, welcome to the team.
You can reply, thank you. I'm happy to join.
Or, I'm excited to work with you.
Now let's go deeper. Small talk.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation.
It builds comfort.
For example, someone may ask, is this your first job?
You can say, no, I worked at another company before. Or, yes, this is my first full-time job.
Someone may ask, where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. I'm from Delhi. I recently moved here.
Keep answers short. Keep them natural.
Now imagine you sit next to a coworker.
You can say, how long have you worked here?
That's a great question.
They might answer, I've been here for 3 years.
Then you can say, that's great. You must know a lot about the company.
See how the conversation flows?
You don't need difficult words.
You just need confidence.
Let's practice a short role play.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How long have you worked here?
About 2 years.
That's great. I'm new, so I may need your help.
No problem. Feel free to ask anytime.
That's teamwork.
That's communication.
And remember, smile when you speak.
Your tone matters.
Even on the phone, even in meetings.
Confidence grows with practice.
In the next part, we'll talk about asking for help professionally.
Because on your first day, you will have questions.
Let's be honest. On your first day, you will not understand everything.
But that is completely normal.
No one expects you to know everything.
But they expect you to ask clearly.
Asking for help is not weakness.
It is professionalism.
So imagine your manager gives you a task.
Maybe they say, please prepare this report.
But you feel confused.
Don't panic.
Don't stay silent.
Ask politely.
For example, could you please explain that again?
Or, I just want to confirm. You need this by tomorrow, right?
That shows attention.
That shows responsibility.
Another powerful sentence for beginners. I'm still learning, so please let me know if I make a mistake.
That sentence removes pressure.
That shows humility.
And confidence at the same time.
On your first day, you don't need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Short sentences.
Direct communication.
Polite tone.
In the next part, we'll do a full mini role play.
From entering the office
to finishing your first day.
All right, let's do a full, realistic role play. Imagine this. It's your first day at the office. You walk in, you see your manager.
Take a deep breath. Stand straight. Small smile.
You say, good morning. I'm excited to start today.
Your manager replies, good morning. Welcome to the team.
Now you respond naturally. Thank you. I'm really looking forward to working here.
Your manager says, let me introduce you to everyone.
You walk to the team area.
You say, hi, I'm new here. Nice to meet you.
A colleague responds, welcome. What will you be working on?
You answer clearly, I'll be assisting with marketing projects.
Short, confident, simple.
Now your manager gives you your first task.
They say, please review this document and share your feedback.
If you understand, you say, sure, I'll review it and get back to you.
If you're unsure, you say, just to confirm, you'd like feedback by today?
Notice the tone. Calm, professional.
Now imagine lunchtime. A colleague invites you.
They say, would you like to join us for lunch?
You reply, yes, I'd love you. Thank you.
During lunch, small talk begins.
Someone asks, so where did you work before this?
You answer, I worked at a small company. I was part of the sales team.
Clear past tense.
Later, someone asks, how do you like it here so far?
You respond positively. It's great so far. Everyone has been very welcoming.
That builds connection.
Now the day is ending. Your manager checks in.
They ask, "How was your first day?"
You respond confidently. It was very good. I learned a lot today.
You can add, "I'm excited to contribute more."
Then finish professionally. Thank you for the opportunity.
See what happened?
No complicated grammar.
No long sentences.
Just clear communication.
Polite tone.
Confident delivery.
This is how you survive
And succeed.
on your first day at the office.
Now pause for a moment. Think about this. Your first day at the office is not about perfect English.
It's about courage.
It's about showing up.
It's about speaking even if your voice shakes a little.
Confidence does not come first. Action comes first.
The more you speak, the more natural it feels.
And remember something very important. No one expects you to be perfect.
They expect you to communicate.
Simple English, clear English, honest English.
That is powerful English.
If you can say, "Nice to meet you," "I'm excited to start," "Could you explain that again?" "I'll get back to you."
You are ready.
Your English does not need to be fancy.
Your English needs to be clear.
And clarity builds confidence.
So today, practice just 5 sentences.
Say them out loud.
Stand up, speak clearly.
Feel the words.
Because the more you practice, the stronger your English voice becomes.
And one day, you will walk into an office.
And you won't feel nervous.
You will feel ready.
Ready to speak.
Ready to grow.
Ready to succeed.
Before we finish, we have a small challenge for you.
Write 1 sentence in English.
Imagine it is your first day.
What would you say?
Write it, practice it, own it.
And remember,
Your English is improving.
even if you don't see it every day,
Keep going.
keep speaking.
Keep growing.
And we'll see you in the next conversation.